Hello and welcome to the channel today. Today we're going to be changing the battery in this MG key. Today you're going to need a 2032 battery. This is a common one and they're available in most stores. It's a 2032. So we'll pop that to one side, we'll get straight into it. So just to check, the key is exactly the same as yours before you start. And then there's a little silver button here. We're going to press that in and release this little arm here. Now, when we take this apart, this will fall out, but don't be frightened. I'll show you how to put it all back together. Now, this is your emergency key. Should this fail, this will get you into the vehicle. It does vary on the location of the lock from model to model, so you'd need to check that out. But should this fail, this will get you in. We'll pop that down for a second. Right, now we need to split the key into two here. So if we just get this in here and we just put a little bit of pressure on there, as you can see, the key releases. Now as I do this, silver arm is going to fall out. So we just carefully, and as you can see, as I said, the silver arm falls out. We'll pop this bit to one side for a minute. We need a small little screwdriver, which were batteries here, and please note it's in positive side down. So we'll just release the battery out. And as you can see there, your battery is positive side, smooth side is a positive side, side that's slightly domed is a negative side. So here's the battery. I've taken out the packet earlier. And if you look on there, we've got a little positive symbol. So that's indicating positive side down. Just be careful with these terminals here as you go back in and just lightly clip that back into place. Now we need to put the arm back onto before we put the key back together. So if you look here, you've got like a little small hole here, which that just sits into there. Now if you bring that up and clip that into place there, hold that there, bring this over, line everything up nicely before you clip it together, and then if you just snap it together, and that's job done. You should be good to go. Hope this was helpful for you today. Please give us a like and subscribe and check out our other videos, and we'll see you soon.